This week, your body wakes up, not to the alarm, not to the morning light, but to the ancient truth that every atom in you was forged in the heart of a dying star. As you breathe in, the oxygen that fills your lungs was once a part of a distant sun, its nuclear fires burning bright, until it exploded in a supernova, scattering its elements throughout the universe. And now, those elements are a part of you. The carbon in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen that you breathe, all born in a celestial furnace, billions of years ago. You are made of stars, literally, the stardust that has been woven into the fabric of your being. As you contemplate this truth, you may begin to feel a sense of disorientation, a blurring of the lines between your individual self and the vast expanse of the universe. And yet, this disorientation is also a kind of liberation, for it frees you from the illusion that you are separate from the cosmos. You are not just a part of the universe, you are the universe, manifest in human form. The same elements that comprise the stars and planets are the elements that comprise your body, your mind, your spirit. The process of stellar nucleosynthesis, by which the elements of life are forged, is a complex and wondrous one. It begins with the fusion of hydrogen atoms in the heart of a star, which releases a vast amount of energy and creates the heavier elements, such as helium, carbon, and oxygen. As the star ages and dies, it explodes in a supernova, scattering these elements throughout the universe, where they can be incorporated into new stars, planets, and living beings. And so, the elements that comprise your body have been on a journey, a cosmic odyssey that spans billions of years and countless light years of space. As you consider this journey, you may begin to feel a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer scale and complexity of the universe. And yet, this awe is also a kind of intimacy, for it reveals to you the deep connection that exists between your own being and the being of the universe. You are not just a small, insignificant part of the cosmos. You are the cosmos in all its glory and complexity. The same patterns and processes that govern the behavior of stars and galaxies also govern the behavior of your own body and mind. The realization that you are made of stardust can be a powerful catalyst for personal growth and transformation. It can help you to see yourself and your place in the universe in a new light, and to cultivate a sense of wonder, awe, and curiosity that can stay with you for the rest of your life. It can also help you to develop a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things, and to recognize that your own well-being is tied to the well-being of the planet and the universe as a whole. As you continue on your journey, you may find that the boundaries between yourself and the universe begin to dissolve, and that you become more aware of the intricate web of relationships that exists between all things. You may find that you are no longer just a separate, individual self, but a part of a larger, cosmic whole that is interconnected and interdependent. And in this realization, you may find a sense of peace and unity that transcends the limitations of your individual self and connects you to the very heart of the universe. The elements that comprise your body are not just inert, chemical substances. They are also imbued with a kind of cosmic consciousness, a kind of awareness that is rooted in the stars and the universe. The carbon in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen that you breathe, all of these elements have a kind of consciousness, a kind of awareness that is connected to the universe and the cosmos. And as you tune into this consciousness, you may find that you become more aware of the intricate web of relationships that exists between all things, and that you develop a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of the universe. As you come to the end of this journey, you may find that you have been transformed, in some profound way, by the realization that you are made of stardust. You may find that you have developed a new sense of wonder, awe, and curiosity that will stay with you for the rest of your life. And you may find that you have cultivated a deeper appreciation for the universe and the cosmos that will connect you to the very heart of existence. And so, as you look up at the stars tonight, you may see them in a new light, as a reminder of the cosmic consciousness that resides within you and the intricate web of relationships that exists between all things. You may see the universe as a vast, interconnected web that is imbued with a kind of cosmic awareness, and a kind of consciousness that is rooted in the stars. And you may find that you are no longer just a small, insignificant part of the cosmos, but a shining, radiant star that is connected to the very heart of the universe.